it going, guys? This is Lee from Dependable Construction. We're on another part of our demo shed here. Often we'll get a call about a Broan vent being damaged. Most of the Broan vents are damaged from trees because they are made out of steel. So we hit this one with a tree branch, and on this little project we're going to show you how to replace it. We picked a brand new one up from the hardware store. So the tools you'll need is a mud knife, hammer, pry bar, caulk, and a caulk gun. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our mud knife, we're going to loosen up the shingles around it. And we're going to take our wonder bar, pop up the nails that's holding the Broan vent down. Broan vents are often used for water heaters or bathroom exhausts. Pop that up. There shouldn't be any nails holding it down around it. You don't want to put nails into the hardened steel. So with the two nails, it should slide right out. I'm going to unhook it from what it's hooked up to. Make sure that's secured tightly to the roof. You don't want it to fall back in, but if it does, you can always hop up in the attic and reattach it. Now that we got that down, we'll open up our brand new one. And it's got all the accessories in it. Since we're just doing a simple replacement and not a full install, we'll just set those aside. Put them back in the box once we get our nice brand new shiny one out. Alright, we'll slide this one up in the same location the old one was. Making sure our hole underneath lines up with it. And we'll put two nails back in, same spot the old one was. And it's always smart to take a caulk and a caulk gun. Cover any exposed nails. Those are leak points for rain. Then if your shingles are a little older, it's always smart to take any of the ones you loosened up, run a quick bead of tar underneath of them, tap them down with your hand. That way if we get wind or anything like that, the wind won't blow the shingles up, cause more damage that you'll have to watch another video to replace. Now we got those done. Clean up all of our mess. And that's it. We went from that damaged one to this nice brand new one, and it's working again. Remember, this is a 5/12 pitched roof, little demo for our project. If it's any steeper than that, 8/12, 10/12, 12/12, it's always smart to call a professional, one that's licensed and insured to do this. That way if they fall off your roof, you won't be sued. So you can check us out on Facebook for pictures of jobs we've done, or you can give us a call, or you can check out our website and we can come out and be glad to give you a free estimate and show you how we do it. Thanks a lot.